Well, hi there. I'm Matt with Paradise Greens, and I'm here at Horizon Honors Middle School with Paul. And we just installed about 4,000 square feet of our SYNLawn SYNTipede 343 turf, and we're going to just talk about it a little bit. So, Paul, what motivated the school to choose Paradise Greens for their project?
So one of the biggest things was the professionalism that the Paradise Greens team came in with. From talking about the quote, sketching out what the space was going to look like, to the installation piece, they were really the best choice that we were able to make in this space.
Oh, that's awesome. So as far as the professionalism and the efficiency of our install team, how did that go during the project?
There were no notes. They came in on the scheduled time, were very efficient with their time while they were here, and were able to get the install done in the allotted time that we were promised.
Awesome. And what do you think the initial feedback so far from the teachers and the students about the turf project?
So all of the feedback that we've gotten so far has been positive. You know, we've had students out here running on it, sitting on it. We've had teachers out here. The look of it is great. The feel of it is great. And we are, again, excited to see where this goes in the future.
So do you think this project was a good long-term investment for the school?
Absolutely. That's something that we have been looking to do for a while, is change the dirt space that we had here, and we are very happy with the product that Paradise Greens has given to us.
Great. And then what would you say to other schools and organizations that might be looking at Paradise Greens to do their project?
So I would highly recommend you bringing the Paradise Greens team in, talking with them, letting them look at the space that you're looking to rejuvenate, and going with them and choosing them for any projects that you have.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Paul. Appreciate it.
Absolutely.